call yourself a free spirit, a wild thing, and you're terrified somebody's gonna stick you in a cage.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today we're going to be doing a very exciting video, and that is we're going to be going on a picnic, and I am absolutely freaking excited for this. I've been wanting to do it for such a long time, and today is finally the day that we're going to be doing it. So I already have the outfit I'm going to be wearing, and it's this dress that I bought at Selfie Leslie a few years ago. I don't even know how long anymore, and I'm going to be wearing it because I think it'll photograph very nicely. And obviously an outfit cannot be completed without some jewelry, so that brings us to today's sponsor, which is Ana Luisa Jewelry. I am very excited to be partnering with them as they are a sustainable jewelry brand, which makes them so freaking awesome. Their jewelry is all made with clean, low impact recycled materials, which is great because we are in a time where we need to be taking care of our earth. Anyways, when they reached out to me, I was so freaking excited because I've seen other YouTubers wearing their jewelry and I've always thought it's so freaking beautiful. So they sent me 3 pieces for this video, and I'll be showing those to you right now. So their jewelry, they send it in these little packages, which is so cute and so thoughtful because it helps you keep your pieces from getting lost, and it protects them from like getting damaged. I freaking like this. This is something that when I opened my package really amazed me because I never saw another company do something like this. Let me try these on so you can see what they look like. The first set of earrings that they sent me are these right here, which are hoop earrings with little pendants hanging at the bottom, and they are so freaking cute. They're a little bit out of my comfort zone because I usually just wear studs. So when I first saw these, I was a little scared that I maybe not like them, and also the hoop part is a little bit small, so I didn't know if they were going to fit my ear, but they actually fit so freaking perfectly. So this is the first set of earrings that they sent over, and oh my god, I freaking love them. Like I said, they're very elegant, very classy, but also very minimalistic, which I really like. Also, these earrings are such a statement piece. They're something that I feel people would get drawn to look at without you really having to do much. They're like so simple but so elegant at the same time. And here's a close-up of how freaking cute they are. I absolutely freaking love them. They are definitely a piece that I'm going to be wearing over and over again, and I think like with like nice dresses and stuff, this is something that's just going to elevate the way you look. Alright, so here is this pair of earrings, and they're so freaking cute too. These are the ones I would say are more up my alley when it comes to comfort zones because like I said, I mostly wear studs, and these ones are just that, except they have like this little hoop part that kind of curls over the earlobe, and it makes it look so freaking cute. I never saw earrings like this before either, but I absolutely love them. I'm definitely ditching my studs and using these type of earrings. These are probably going to be my go-to everyday earrings from now on. They are like simple, but at the same time not as simple as any other standard stud earring. I freaking love how they look. Like, they're so freaking cute. Alright, now let's try on the third pair because I am so excited for those as I freaking love them. The third pair that they sent over are these right here, which I freaking love, and they're so cute. Let me put them on for you. This is what this pair looks like, and I freaking like it. As you can see, it's a very simple little hoop with a star hanging at the bottom. The star also has a small diamond in the center, and it's just adorably, and it looks so beautiful. So this earring from far away, as you can see, it kind of looks like it's just a little line going down with the little star hanging at the bottom, and it's so cute. I love this so much. It's going to be the one I'll be wearing with this outfit. I think it matches really well because this dress has some little pointy leaves, and I think it matches with the pointiness of the star. So if you like any of the pieces that I showed in this video, or you would be interested in checking out other pieces on their website, go ahead and click the link down below in my description box. They are currently having a 20% sale off on their entire website. You don't have to enter any discount codes, as the discount will automatically apply at checkout. So go ahead and check them out. Click the link down below so you can get the 20% off, and let's go ahead and get our stuff ready for the picnic. So I just want to give you an overview of what our setup is going to consist of, and obviously on the cloth it's going to look completely different, but I just set everything out so you can see what we're taking. So starting over here, these are fake plants that we got from Hobby Lobby, a little basket from Hobby Lobby, and more flowers, and another little basket over there. We're going to be putting this bread that's right here. We also got some juice that we're going to pour in here, you know, just for the aesthetics, and we're going to pretend that we have mimosas, but we are not drinking real mimosas. I also got a mini watermelon, or like a small watermelon, and I cut them into little triangles like that, just for the aesthetics once again. And then we have these oranges, which I don't know if we're even going to eat, but they're also there for the aesthetic. So pretty much this whole thing is just going to be for the aesthetic of a picnic. This is our cloth that we're going to be using. So that we just purchased it at a local fabric store, so helping a small business out. And then these are the plates that we're going to be using. These are the ones we already have in our kitchen, but we decided to just go with them so we don't spend any more money. And obviously any plates would work, but we just chose these because they are white and we just have different sizes. So that one, we're probably gonna put strawberries in that one. And then we are going to go buy our breakfast, and we're going to just put it out in plates. And then over here we also have some strawberries. We are obviously not even going to finish all of them. They're just there for the picture, just to get really nice pictures. And yeah, that's pretty much all that we have right now that's prepped for the picnic. But we still are going to go to a restaurant and get ourselves some breakfast, like waffles or something, I don't know. And I did forget to mention, I just added this right now, but I forgot to mention we are taking these little kitchen towel things. We got those at Walmart. We're just going to be lining this little basket with it to put this bread in there, you know. It'll look cute and aesthetics. So after we got everything ready, we went ahead to go and get our food from Mel's. We actually really like coming here. We haven't come in a long time because John and I stopped eating out so much because it was such a bad habit that we had, and we've just been trying to eat healthy. But this is the place. It's very inexpensive and it's really good. Also, their service is really nice, and it's just one of our go-to places. So after this, we headed over to the park, and we did go to a more like a wealthier area. As you can see, I live nowhere near this, but it's always nice to get out and go see the other side of the world. So once we made it to the park, we actually found this nice little secluded area that wasn't really that secluded, but the way all the plants was around it just made it feel like it was more secluded. So we put down some towels because the grass was actually kind of wet, and then we put down our little picnic cloth that we had just bought, and it actually looks super nice. Anyway, so then John went and started organizing the flowers. It was really hot, so he did all the hard work. So we just pretty much started organizing everything. We put down the plates in an order that we thought looked nice, and I really like the plates that we chose because the white really contrasted with the beige, brown, whatever color that is, and it just really brought up the aesthetic look that we were looking for without needing an actual filter. Then we started adding the food. There are some oranges that we are definitely not going to eat. I also started filling up that little bowl with some strawberries, and the reason we got strawberries is because they're red and the color is just very vibrant, so we knew it was going to picture really nicely. And the same thing with the watermelon. Then for the bread, like I told you before, I took one of those little kitchen cloth things, and we started putting the bread in there because it just fit with the little aesthetic. I don't know what that aesthetic is called, but it's like really cute. Really nice to look at too. And I poured the whole orange juice into that pitcher, which many of you would probably think it's wasteful, but don't worry because we actually poured it back into the, what's that called, John? So we actually poured it back into the bottle once we were done with the picnic, so we didn't waste any of this food. And then we started putting the food that we got from Mel's onto plates, and I got myself a waffle and some chicken strips. John got himself pancakes, eggs, ham, and some fries, but we left the fries and chicken strips out because it was not going to look that cute in the picture, but we did leave it to the side. And also we carried our stuff in a blue container thing with like a we carried our stuff in a blue like picnic basket, but obviously that's not in the shop because it wouldn't look cute. So I think everybody does that. You carry your stuff in things that don't look that nice, but what's in the frame is what looks nice, if you know what I mean. Anyways, so okay, so we just finished setting it up, and this is what it looks like from far away. We ended up putting our pitcher all the way over there because the juice was very likely to just spill all over our little thing, and we didn't want that since the floor is uneven. But here is the fabric that we got. It's a tan color, and I am absolutely freaking happy that we got it because it just looks so freaking pretty. And this is the food that we went to get at Mel's. This is my waffle. I set it up like that because I think it's really freaking aesthetic, and this is the look that we're going for. John got some pancakes and that thing. And there we have some strawberries, some watermelon, and our bread. Obviously, this is a lot of food for 2 people and we're probably not going to finish it, but we're also not going to waste anything. Like the strawberries, we could freeze them for smoothies, and the bread, we can just put it back in the packaging. We also have our fake mimosas and John's coffee right there. And yeah, this is pretty much what it looks like. Now we're just going to be taking some pictures. Okay, so here's another little look at it before we chomp it all down because we were hungry. Anyways, so this is also when I took the time to take some cute pictures by myself and also with my husband. And here's the dress that I was wearing earlier in the video, so you get a full shot of it. And it's actually really cute, but super fragile. And there's the earrings, super cute with this dress too. And let me just see the strawberry.
I just want to start a great big place.
Once again, I would like to thank Annalisa for sponsoring this video. Remember to click the link in the description box as they are having a 20% sale on their entire website, and the discount will just be applied at checkout. Alright, okay you guys, so we're just going to continue eating, and I want to thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you next time. Bye!